Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is I don't know where we are. Third, fourth, fifth card. I can't remember which one it is, but it's another alternate card using elements from the March 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I again am using elements from the kit, and I'm looking at this, and the only thing I've used that's not in the kit is the polished pink stamp pad to stamp Easter. Everything else is from the kit. So anyway, so we are once again going with the glue dots. This is the piece that I cut off one of the fronds for another video. So it's perfect for what I want to use it for here. Just put some glue dots down, and we're going to have to glue dot the back of the happy as well. I'm going to use my last gold happy. So we're just going to, oops, that one went its merry way. So we're just going to add just a few to hold this in place. And honestly, I think this is the most glue dots I've ever used out of a paper pumpkin kit. I use them in regular cards as well because they're very versatile. But for these videos, I think in every single video I've used glue dots. Okay, now this one has gone off the edge just a little bit, so I'm just going to use my tool and just sweep it back over again. That's the joy of these dots. All right, so the happy is going across like this. Let's give it a bit of a push down there. And then the pots are actually going to come down so they look like they're sitting on a shelf in front of the window, like on the windowsill, as opposed to sitting up in the window. So that's going to go down like that. And let me just pick this up and peel these backings off. And I'm going to use this to help me decide where to put that. That goes like that. There we go. And now I can put adhesive on the back of this one and pop this down, as I say, like it's sitting on the shelf. There we go. And this one is also going to sit down like it's on the shelf. Just over here a little bit. And then we will put the little tiny flower or plant just on the edge like that. And then we're going to dimensionalize the Easter. I debated about cutting it down because it would fit inside the window panes, but I decided I would leave it whole, and I'm just going to pop it down like that. Just going to pick it up, make sure I'm straight, and I am. So it kind of fits. Excuse me. I could put a little bit of bling on here, but I don't know that I'm going to. I think I'm just going to leave it plain like that. We could do bling later if we want to. But that, again, is using elements from the March 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And that, I believe, is my last card. So thank you so much for watching through this series, and I look forward to next month's Paper Pumpkin and regular videos in between.